What's up, Cloud 11 gang? Today, it's a little tutorial kinda, because I was looking for this myself, like, almost a whole month ago, and no one's posted it. Like a good one, an actual one that helps. So, if you need, SoundCloud, your two-factor authentication code, and you can't find it, and, you check your computer, you check your phone, you check your passwords or anything, and you use the SoundCloud one that says, that's not it. It's the one that says audio keychain, which I'm about to put right here so y'all can see. It says audio keychain. That's your code for your SoundCloud. That's it. I just found out last night, literally trying stuff, and I finally got back into my account after almost a month. And that's my primary thing I listen to music on, so I feel amazing again. For that part, anyway. Yeah, so that's all you have to do. Because SoundCloud's customer service, they's not helping you, they not emailing you back, they not nothing. It sucks. I don't know who runs it, the freaking customer service, but they need help. Yeah. So that's it. Oh, yeah. We'll be back with more smoke content soon though. Okay. Literally, like I said, the only thing I have left is this. And even this right now is damn near gone. And it's starting to like leak or whatever. Not leak, but like starting to come out from the top by itself sometimes, or while I'm smoking it. So yeah, my new stuff though should come in like 2 or 3 days more from today, so that should be good. Is this money? Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next video.